Come test drive this 2007 BMW X3. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, a headlight cleaning system, a roof rack, and much more. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.